Welcome to the world of active learning by Teija Kauppi and Eija Leskinen, Finnish Active Learning. We are the designers of the courses of Finnish Active Learning. We are class teachers Teija Kauppi and Eija Leskinen from Finland. We are class teachers, but we also educate teachers, day school teachers, and activity instructors in our popular workshops. We have been teachers very long, and active teaching has been a part of our teaching for our whole teaching careers. It has many benefits, as we have noticed. It motivates and inspires pupils to learn. Learning a new skill can become easier when it is done by playing and moving. Here is the content of this our first lecture. Welcome to the world of active learning. Active learning, the benefits of active learning for children, the benefits of active learning for parents, adventure in the different home environments, and course closure. Active learning. Learning means embracing knowledge, skills, or habits. We can learn in many ways, for example, by studying or practicing. We can also learn in different ways. Some of us like better to read and learn by reading. Some of us like better, more practical exercises. Many things can have influence on learning. External circumstances, personal matters of parents and children, like health or life situation, have influence on learning. Also, child's memory, motivation, attentiveness, knowledge, and skills effects on learning. Learning environment can have a strong influence on learning. Effective learning environments offer stimulus, they are safe, and of course, they support learning. Participation is one of the key elements in active learning. The possibilities to move and play, learn by doing, can increase engagement. And when the child is engaged, he can learn more and learn better. Here are some principles of active learning. Participation, gamification, moving, playing, drama, joy, assessment, and cooperation. Interaction is essential in active learning. Pupils study by playing and moving together. This gives energy. It also takes into account different learning styles, playfulness and drama. They inspire children. Teachers assess children, but it's important to learn self-assessment. The children learn to understand their own learning and their own development. Joy of learning, one of the most meaningful things in learning. That is motivating and it helps to learn. Things that are experienced by yourself feel pleasant and meaningful. Active learning. Learning means embracing knowledge, skills, or habits. We can learn in many ways, for example, by studying or practicing. We can also learn in different ways. Some of us like better to read and learn by reading. Some of us like better, more practical exercises. The benefits of active learning for children. Active learning provides many benefits. Children learn by being active, participating, moving, and playing. Children have possibilities to use their senses. This deepens learning. Many children learn better if they have possibilities to discuss, play, and move. It can help to concentrate. Active learning takes into account different learning styles. Versatile teaching methods can improve studying and problem-solving skills. In active learning, children usually work in pairs or groups, and their interaction and cooperation skills develop. But learning can be active by working alone as well. In active learning, children are more motivated because of the versatile learning methods. Children get important experiences of succeeding, and they can experience joy of learning. The benefits of active learning for parents. Active learning is actually familiar to parents. They play with their children, and that is the same as active learning. But in active learning, parents also teach using active methods, and parents get more familiar with their children by using different teaching methods. Interaction between parents and children is improved. Teaching at home is important for those parents who do that. And getting acquainted with active learning, parents upgrade, develop, and diversify their competence. Parents can develop and diversify their parenting and teaching skills by getting acquainted with versatile and different teaching methods. Observing the environment and different equipment can awaken new ideas, and parents utilize different learning environments and equipment when they use active learning.
Hello. Next, you can get acquainted with different learning environments. There are many places at home to use. Let's see. Learning environments. It's important that the children have a possibility to work in peace by the table. The position is better when a child is working by the table. It's also easier to write. There shouldn't be too much other things on the table. They can disturb the child. But you can also do a lot of active learning at home in different places. Look around at home and you can get many ideas of the places to use in active learning. Different learning environments motivate and inspire both parents and children. It's possible to use more versatile equipment. On the floor. Floor can be one place to study. Look for different toys, sport equipment, or other things and objects you could utilize in studying at home. Children can, for example, play learning games, make artworks, read or use tablets on the floor. On the carpets. It's nice to work and play on the carpets. A carpet is soft and comfortable. It brings variation to studying. You can, or the children can, plan different games and play on the carpet. Rearranging the furniture. Children can use seats, benches, and side tables. You can utilize the cupboards. Put some learning cards up. Then the children use tweezers and rake them using the tweezers. A child learns to perceive distances, improves fine motoric skills, and it's able to move. It's fun to reach high. Remember, pay attention to the safety. The walls. Attach exercises on the walls in different heights. The children can look for them, and they also have a reach high or bend down. They can move. If there are empty walls or walls with unbreakable objects near to you, attach exercises cards onto them. In the first photo, there is a domino. The child attached the next card with blue tack. In the other photo, the parents say a number and child throw a ball at it. The parent can also say calculation and the child throws the ball at the answer. And in the last picture, the parents say a word. The child reads the words and slaps the correct word. The child improves his reading skills. Who slapped the right English word first? Learning is fun. The doors. Children can play games. You can hang fun obstacles on the doorway. The child can throw a ball or step through them. These exercises develops perceiving and body control. You can attack activity cards on the doors. Huts and tents. A tent or a learn-to is a calm and private place to work or read or play. The children can also use small real tents. The children can also build huts using sheet, tablecloths, and so on. Children like to build tents, huts, and sheds. Pay attention to the safety. There are many excellent materials to use. For example, cardboard boxes. The children can use their imagination and decorate them as they wish. For example, the children can paint a big cardboard box and make a tiny cottage. At the stairs. Children get more exercise by working in stairs, working them up and down. It's learning by moving. There is usually a rhythm when you walk the stairs. It can help to learn, for example, number sequences. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. The alphabet or the months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, and so on. The children develop their motoric skills, perceiving, and memory. Children can also play or work at the stairs. In the corridor. There is a lot of space for activities in long corridors. The children can, for example, run in different ways from one end to other. They can walk using different roads or tracks. And children can also jump on the tiles or color circles. They can also build different kinds of tracks. You can use hand or foot buttons, tape or obstacles on the tracks. The children can also use balls. They can, for example, throwing, bouncing, or rolling them. Scooter boards are fun. The child can roll to the correct answer or fetch cards or some objects. Hobby horses are always motivating equipment. If there is enough space, you can build a track with your child and put exercises on the way when the child is riding the hobby horse. You can use also other fun equipments and play learning games. The floors and the floor tiles can be game boards. There is more space to play. In the kitchen, let the children help in the kitchen. Their self-esteem improves when they notice your appreciation and they understand that they learn. Baking together is pleasant. The child learns everyday skills, names of the ingredients, and things such as mathematics, reading comprehension, understanding the instructions, caution, hygiene, good manners, and cooking. Home surroundings. In the garden, nature excites the pupils. If there is a garden at home, there can be activities related to the things the children are learning. There are many things you use in different ways, like benches, plants, trees, lawn areas, and playing equipment. You can use your imagination. Children also can plan activities. The pupils can learn how to get information, explore using all their senses, or look for exercises or things which have been hidden. It is exciting and fun. Art can be involved too. The children can paint or draw the plants and in the same time learn to recognize them. They can also take photographs. Children can look at the photographs later and tell them about. Yard is an excellent environment to learn and for learning. The children can do their exercises in different places, like benches or lawn. And they can play learning games in the sandbox. Tiles can be game boards, or the children can draw, paint, or write on them with chalk pencils. Playing or gym equipment develop balance and body control. The children can explore and looking for the pictures hidden all around the yard. The binoculars are made of toilet paper rolls. Here the children look the birds and try to find what they are. In the sport fields, versatile sports fields offer possibilities for many kinds of activities. You can run, play football, throw like socks, or what else you want to do. There can be places for different games and soft lawn for moving and playing learning games. And finally, course closer. You can ponder these thoughts by yourself or with someone. Read the question and think what you think about these things. Hopefully, you have now new ideas and inspiration which support your teaching. We also hope that we inspire you to join our other lectures. Best wishes, Teija and Eija, Finnish Active Learning. Bye!